Morning, guys. It's the 4th of July. It's about 7 a.m. We're here at the Bierstadt trailhead doing Mt Bierstadt today. Parking's filling up fast. This is a very busy summer trail. This is a great 14er for beginners or for a first 14er, and it's also a great hangover 14er. Drank a little bit too much last night, so gonna work off this hangover today. Nice, clean, maintained trail. So as this is a popular trail, here's some tips that I've noticed and I'd like to share with you. This is your first time on a big populated trail like this. One, people going up have the right of way. Not many people know this or understand this, but that's the way it's supposed to be. If you're gonna stop, don't stop in the dead middle of the trail. And three, keep your dogs on a leash, especially if they aren't well behaved. No one wants your wet dog running up against your leg. That's all. For hiking your first 14er, a lot of people will say bring snacks and all that. I've never once ate anything on a trail at the summit or on the way down, contrary to what a lot of popular posts and people say. Your body stores energy in the form of fat and carbohydrates and glycogen. You're not going to run out of energy if you don't eat. Trust me. So if you like to eat, by all means, bring a snack, but I prefer to not wander off trail, to take a number two, and I find that I have plenty of energy when I'm hiking in a fasted state. All right, guys, we are 2.1 miles into the trail. It's getting a little hot out, but even though the popularity of this trail is pretty insane, everyone's pretty well spread out once we got up here above tree line. Just past the 3-mile mark. It's getting a little more rocky right now. More and more people stopping for breaks. We're 3.4 miles into the trail, almost up to the ridge. Summit is in sight. You can see a bunch of marching ants up there. Busy day. Almost there though. There's Emily waiting for me. She's absolutely smoking me today. My body's just not doing well today. But when you drink 12-pack of Budweisers and don't sleep well, it just makes the hike a little more challenging. But we're almost up to the ridge. Then we got a light scramble, and we'll be on the summit with about 200 of our closest friends on this beautiful 4th of July weekday. Then we'll definitely head back to Denver, maybe grill some cheeseburgers, Might cut some potatoes, make some fries.
Watermelon.
You want watermelon?
I have a watermelon.
You have a watermelon on you?
I wish. We're gonna have watermelon later. Watermelon does sound good now. All right, here's the funnest part of the hike. The little easy scramble, maybe a class 2, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna do it holding the GoPro, and I'm gonna follow M. All right, we are approaching the summit of Bierstadt. It's a party up here. It is 8:40 a.m. We made it up here in exactly 2 hours, according to my GPS, 3.8 miles. All right, we're leaving the summit party. It's pretty crowded up there, and we're heading back home. All right, we're back down from the summit, right on this ridge. It's a complete zoo up there, so just keep that in mind if you're doing this. It can get a little scrambly. If you pick your path right, you will not have to use your hands. But with the amount of people that are up there, we definitely used our hands a lot just to pass them. And also keep that in mind. There's lots of dogs out here. So once you get up to the scrambling part, you want to keep them close to you or keep them on a leash, please. If you have a problem with that, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on that. Being that this is a easy, accessible 14er, there are people of all fitness levels and ages that hike this mountain all the time. So not everyone enjoys having dogs whiz by them when they're trying to climb up a mountain. But I am gonna sign off now and descend this mountain, hopefully get down within an hour or less. But if you like what you see, you know the drill. Smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Till the next hike, catch y'all around.
Happy 4th of July.